Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make cold somen salad. Cook somen noodles according to the package instructions. Then rinse under cold water and drain. Toss with 1 tablespoon sesame oil and 1 tablespoon shoyu. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon sesame oil, rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons shoyu, sugar, and grated ginger to make the dressing. Drizzle some dressing over the noodles and garnish with lettuce, cucumber, radish, fried tofu, green onion, and black sesame seeds. Serve the remaining sauce on the side. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.